Although native to the Mediterranean region with other cabbage species, Brussels sprouts first appeared in northern Europe during the 5th century, later being cultivated in the 13th century near Brussels, Belgium, from which they derived their name. Brussels sprouts are compact, rounded leaves tightly bound into individual spherical shaped heads ranging in diameter of 1 to 2 inches when mature. Their leaves range from sea green to fern green, some varieties featuring blush violet red tips. The younger the Brussels sprouts carry a sweeter, more palatable flavor. Brussels sprouts are a cool weather crop that grow best at around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. They are one of the last crops left in the garden and can even survive through the winter if the conditions are favorable. Generally treated like broccoli or cauliflower, Brussels sprouts prefer well-drained soil and do not require excessive nutrients. Too much nitrogen will make for lots of leaves, but not so much on the sprouts. They want regular and generous watering. Good companion plants for Brussels sprouts include carrots, celery, peas, onions, mint, basil, rosemary, beans, marigolds, chamomile, dill, garlic, and sage. Brussels sprouts are nutrient powerhouses providing a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and a little bonus plant protein. They're fat-free, saturated fat-free, cholesterol-free, very low in sodium, low in calories, a good source of fiber, high in vitamin C, high in vitamin K, a good source of vitamin B6, a good source of copper, and manganese.